Hey everyone, welcome back to the Unfolded English Podcast. I'm Alex. So, picture this. You arrive at a hotel. You walk up to the front desk. The staff smiles and says, "Hello, how can I help you?" And your brain suddenly goes blank. You know you booked a room. You know your name. But you don't know what to say first. Do you say, "I booked a room"? "I have a reservation"? "My booking is here"? And then they ask, "May I see your ID and credit card?" And you panic again.
Oh, yes. This happened to my friend last year. She traveled for the first time, walked into a hotel, and when the staff asked a simple question, she just said, "Booking me yesterday." She felt so nervous, even though her English was actually good. It wasn't grammar. It was not knowing the situation language.
Exactly. And hotel check-in is a super common real-life situation. You don't need fancy English. You just need the right, simple sentences.
So today, we're going to help you check in at a hotel smoothly and confidently.
We'll share a few ready-to-use phrases you can say at the front desk. No stress, no guessing.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you arrive at a hotel.
Let's make hotel check-in easy and natural. All right, let's build your hotel check-in English step by step. Today we have 4 simple tools. Think of them like small keys. Each key opens one part of the conversation. Tool 1. Magic first sentence. When you arrive, you don't need a long explanation. Just use this formula. I have a reservation under plus your name. That's it. Simple and polite. Examples. I have a reservation under Chen. I have a reservation under Maria Lopez. Hi, I have a reservation under Kim for 2 nights.
Okay, let me try. I have a reservation on Lucy.
Good try. Your meaning is clear. We just change on to under. So, I have a reservation under Lucy. Now it sounds natural and hotel ready. Why this works. This sentence is your safe opener. No grammar stress, no long story. You start the conversation smoothly. Tool 2. The 2 things rule. At check-in, staff often ask for 2 things, your ID and your credit card. So we prepare one simple response. Sure, here is my ID and my credit card. Examples. Here is my passport and my card. Sure, here you go. Of course, here they are.
What if I say, "Here is my ID and credit card for you checking"?
Nice effort. We can make it more natural by making it shorter. Just say, "Here is my ID and credit card." Shorter equals more natural. Why this works. In real life, short answers sound more confident. You don't need to explain everything. Tool 3. Polite question frame. Sometimes you need to ask something. Wi-Fi, breakfast, checkout time. Use this easy frame. Could you tell me plus the information? Examples. Could you tell me the Wi-Fi password? Could you tell me what time breakfast starts? Could you tell me the checkout time?
Let me try. Could you tell me where is the breakfast?
Great question. Just change the word order a little. Could you tell me where the breakfast is? Now it sounds smooth and polite. Why this works. This tool helps you sound polite without long sentences. One frame to many questions. Tool 4. The problem solver. What if something is wrong? Wrong room. No towels. Card doesn't work. Use this calm and clear formula. Hi, I think there is a problem with plus the thing. Examples. I think there is a problem with my key card. I think there is a problem with the air conditioner. I think there is a problem with my reservation.
Okay. Hi, I think there's a problem about my room.
Very close. We say problem with, not about. So, I think there is a problem with my room. Perfect. Why this works. This sentence is calm and polite, not angry. Staff will want to help you. So today you learned 4 powerful tools. Magic first sentence, the two things rule, polite question frame, the problem solver.
And the best part? All of them are short, simple, and real-life ready.
You don't need perfect English. You just need the right small sentences at the right time.
Okay, Alex, I have a worry. What if I use the wrong word? Like I say, problem about my room again. Is it embarrassing? And also, my accent is strong. What if the hotel staff doesn't understand me? Or laughs?
That's such a real fear. But here's the truth. Hotel staff talk to international guests every day. They are not listening for perfect grammar. They are listening for your meaning. I once checked into a hotel in another country and I said, "Wi-Fi, password, please?" Not a full sentence at all, but the staff smiled and gave me the password. Communication successful.
So the goal is not perfect English. The goal is getting the key to your room.
Exactly. Here's a sentence to remember. Clear message beats perfect grammar. And another one. If you start the conversation, you are already winning. Most people are too nervous to speak. But you are speaking, asking, communicating. That's confidence in action.
I like that. So today's tools are not for sounding perfect. They're for helping real communication happen.
Yes, focus on the message, not the mistake. Focus on checking in, not on every small word. You are not taking an English test. You are getting a hotel room.
All right, before we go, let's do a super quick review. Today we learned a few Hotel English Swiss Army knives. Alex, ready?
Ready.
Tool number 1.
Magic first sentence. I have a reservation under plus your name. Your smooth and confident opener.
Tool number 2.
The two things rule. Here is my ID and my credit card. Short, simple, done.
Tool number 3.
Polite question frame. Could you tell me plus the information? One sentence for Wi-Fi, breakfast, checkout time. Everything.
And tool number 4.
The problem solver. I think there is a problem with plus the thing. Calm, clear, and polite.
Look at that. 4 simple tools, and you're ready to check in like a pro.
Next episode, we'll help you with another real travel situation. What do you say when you don't understand what someone says to you? Instead of just saying, "What?" we'll give you polite and natural ways to ask people to repeat.
That skill will save you in hotels, airports, cafes, everywhere.
So make sure you come back and practice with us.
Now it's your turn to practice. We have a simple question for you today. Which sentence will you use first at a hotel? Will you say, "I have a reservation under"? Or, "Could you tell me the Wi-Fi password"?
Write your full sentence in the comments. I have a reservation under Maria for 2 nights. Keep it short, keep it real.
Or tell us, which tool is the easiest for you? Magic first sentence? The two things rule? Polite question frame? or the problem solver.
We read every single comment, and in future episodes, we'll pick some of your sentences and help you make them sound even more natural.
So don't be shy. This is your safe practice space. Your sentence today could help another learner tomorrow.
Before you go, here's your tiny mission for today. Pick one tool from this episode, just one. Say it out loud once, maybe in front of a mirror. I have a reservation under Alex. That's it. One sentence, 1 minute.
Small practice is not small progress. If you do a little every day, your English will grow naturally.
And the fact that you are here, listening and learning, already means you care about your communication. That matters.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
If this episode helped you, share it with one friend who also travels or uses English at hotels.
Remember, communication is about connection, not perfection.
Unfolded English, learning English, one real conversation at a time.
See you next time.